Are you studying at home or even at school? Feel a little stuck and somewhat bored? Well then stay tuned to my YouTube as I welcome you back to the drawing board.
Hi! Welcome back to the drawing board. Today we're going to look at the OR sound. So, which letters make OR? There are two. O and R. Together, they make OR.
Listen carefully for this sound, but don't worry about any names, just the words, as they will help us when we come to practice. Now, let's see what's happening around the world.
First up is George from Portugal, who is eating his lunch with a fork. So, which word in that clip had the OR sound? It was fork. Let's practice. F, OR, and k. F, OR, k. Fork. Next up is Victoria from Norway, who is training for the Olympic sports event. Now, you may have heard sports. So, S, P, OR, T, and S, S, P, OR, T, S, sports. Now over to Jordan from Ecuador, where there is a horrible storm. What could we hear this time? It was storm. So, S, T, OR, and N, S, T, OR, N, storm. And last but not least, we head back to Victoria. Wow! Not only has she made it to the Olympics, but she is carrying the torch. Now, what was our final word? It was torch. T, OR, and ch. T, OR, ch. Torch. I hope you enjoyed practicing the OR sound today. Perhaps you can think of more words which have this sound. See you next time!